everyone. So today we're going to draw a puffy winter jacket. So first we're going to start with the body of the jacket. So we're going to start about right here, come down, and then curve in, go to the other side, come down, curve in. For the bottom of the jacket, we're just going to draw a slightly curved line at the bottom. And then we're going to start up here. We're going to draw the arms. So just like a curved line, and then go towards the jacket a little bit. And then we're going to start here. And then we're going to go ahead and add a little cuff to the end of the jacket, or the end of the arm. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So just curve down like this, and then curve in just a little bit, and then a little bit on this side, and then add a little cuff at the end. So for the bottom of the jacket, we're going to add this little, kind of like a little elastic, I guess like elastic little strip at the bottom. And then we're going to go ahead and draw a hood for our jacket. So we're going to go ahead and do the zipper next. So we want to, about the middle part of the jacket, we're just going to come down just like that. And we're going to add a little zipper tab up here, like a little rectangle for the zipper. Then we're going to go ahead and do the hood. So we're going to just come in with a kind of straight line, kind of a go slightly up towards the arms. And then we're going to go ahead and do our hood. So we're going to just make a little, kind of like a triangle, but more like a pie shape kind of. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. And then we're going to curve all the way around, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and add some lines right here, and then one along the back. All right, and then we're going to add some detail to our jacket. Since it's a puffy jacket, we're going to add like the kind of like the little stitching on the jacket. It's like that. And then on the jacket itself, just kind of slightly curved lines. Okay, and next we're going to go ahead and outline our jacket with our black marker. So I'm just going to start here on this arm. And and top part of our jacket. Don't forget that little zipper tab there. The zipper. And then our little stitching on the jacket. All right, and then our hood. with that little, the area around the hood. Very small lines there. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and erase all of our pencil lines before we color. Okay, so I'm gonna use the gray just to color in that little zipper tab in the middle, and then I'm gonna use this turquoise color for the jacket. Of course, you can use any color that you like. Use your favorite color. Use the color of your jacket, whatever color you want to use. You can even make it, different colors if you want. Okay, and our little strip at the bottom. Actually, we want to take my black marker, put the line all the way to the bottom, because the zipper has to go all the way to the bottom, otherwise you can't take the jacket off. So we need to add that. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the outside of the hood. I do the same color. And then the little trim also. All right, and then for the center, the inside of the jacket, I'm going to do a little bit lighter blue color. Okay, and there you go. And that's how you draw a winter puffy jacket. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to see more videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.